Kung gusto mong i-level up ang smart TV mo or kung hindi pa smart ang LED or LCD TV mo, kailangan mo to. Maiksi lang ang video na to pero ilalapag ko agad-agad kung ano-anong dapat mong malaman tungkol sa smart streaming TV box na to. Gaya ng sabi sa box, ito ay may 4K resolution at ultra high definition. Kaya magiging maliwanag at matingkad ang kulay. In English, mas crystal clear ang picture quality ng TV nyo. Yun ay kung ang TV nyo ay 4K UHD na rin. Kung hindi naman, yun muna ang bilhin nyo. Joke lang. Don't worry, gagana pa rin ito sa mga HD televisions basta may HDMI. In our home, we have used this Leap S3 TV box for 2 months na. And it has been as great as our old 4K Google Chromecast. Mas mura pa nga itong Leap S3 na gawa ng Skyward, a company known for making televisions. This TV box also has built-in Chromecast and Google TV na rin ang kanyang operating system or interface. Para sa akin, well-organized ang apps sa Google TV. User-friendly, easy to navigate. Meron itong 2GB RAM at 16GB na storage kaya mabilis mag-load ng mga apps. Halos walang latency sa loading and kapag nag-i-scroll ka from one app to another. Kaya nga kailangan mo pa rin ng ganitong klaseng TV box kung ang smart TV mo ay mabagal na or hindi ma-installan ng mga apps na gusto mo tulad ng Apple TV, Disney Plus or Prime TV. Na-experience na kasi namin yon sa isang TV namin na Devant. Hindi ma-installan ng mga apps like mentioned. Kailangan niya ng streaming box tulad nitong Leap S3. Very quickly, pakikita ko sa inyo yung pangalaman ng box. This is not the original unboxing kasi na-unbox ko na talaga ito noon nung binili namin. Pero most likely, ganito itsura nun. So, meron tayo, ito yung TV box. May kasama siyang manual. Yan, ayan yung manual. Nandyan din yung installation instructions. Meron din siyang kasamang power plug. So, take a good look of the power plug. So, prongs ang tawag dito. Para naman, pag tinanong kayo ng mga barkada nyo, anong tawag sa metal part ng isang power plug? Prongs. O yung sungay ng isang power plug. So good thing na ganito yung itsura ng sungay ng power plug niya kasi 'di ba kadalasan ganito naman ang sukat ng or itsura ng mga power socket natin. So hindi niyo na kailangan dito ng adapter. Tapos meron siyang kasamang HDMI cable na mahigit kumulang 1.5 meters. Siyempre itong remote control kasama na rin sa box. May kasama pang ang dalawang AAA batteries. How to set up? Step 1. Attach HDMI to TV and TV box. Step 2. Plug TV box to power. Step 3. Pair the remote to TV box. Step 4. Choose language of TV box. Step 5. Pumili ng Wi-Fi names kahit na minsan nakakatawa yung mga Wi-Fi names ng kapitbahay natin. I hope na pinili nyo yung sarili nyong Wi-Fi. Kung hindi, papajombag ko kayo kay Will Smith. Enter your email address and password. Accept or decline some Google terms. Set up remote control. Choose volume source and brand of TV. Test the volume buttons of the remote and also the power on and off button. Pagkatapos i-set up ang remote, pwede ka na mag-install ng apps and ganun, set up na ang iyong TV box. Yahoo! Nga pala, ang presyo nito ay 1,839 pesos only. Mura na yan kumpara sa Google Chromecast na nabili ko ng 3,240 pesos. And alam nyo ba, mas madali mag-like and subscribe habang hindi pa tapos ang video na to. Set resolution to 4K 60Hz kung compatible naman sa TV nyo. So far so good ang performance ng TV box na to. We haven't experienced any big issues yet in the span of 2 months na ginagamit namin to. Bukod sa HDMI and power port, meron din itong slots for Ethernet, SPDIF, and USB. So ngayon try nating buksan yung mga applications na na-install natin. We have Netflix, we also have YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, iQIYI, which is like Netflix. We have Apple TV, HBO Max, YouTube Music. We also have Signal Play, Plex, tsaka AirScreen, which is pang mirror ng cellphone nyo to the television. So let's open one YouTube video and let's see kung anong resolution makukuha natin. Alright, so tingnan natin, puntahan natin yung settings ng YouTube video. And makikita nyo to 160p, which is the 4K UHD video quality. Sa Netflix naman, ang makukuha nating resolution is 4K HDR, as you can see on this video. Kayang-kaya rin itong mag-play ng Apple TV shows in 4K resolution and HDR quality. Sulit itong Skyward TV box kasi it really functions well. 4K resolution na, HDR10 pa, at 60Hz refresh rate. Okay din yung feel ng remote, small at sakto lang sa palad. Meron ding voice command button. Kung may na-experience kaming konting issue sa device na to is medyo may latency when playing big video files via USB. Pero kapag medyo nababad naman yung USB, the video files will play smoothly na rin. If you are going to use this mainly as a streaming box for online content, the USB speed will not be a deal breaker for you. Overall, the Skyward Leap S3 TV box sits well on a TV console and makes your viewing experience better. And that's all for our tech review for today. If you have questions about this device, please put it on the comment section. I'll answer if I can. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.